just finished a system update or working across too many spreadsheets, and now your Excel crashes, freezes, or simply won't open at all? It's a total workflow nightmare, especially when you're in a hurry to work on project data. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest, easiest way to fix Excel not opening on Mac and get you back to work in no time. Method 1. Force quit Excel. A lot of times, Excel isn't actually broken. It's just frozen in the background. Press the Command plus Option plus S keys on your keyboard to open the Force Quit Applications window. Locate Microsoft Excel in the list and select it. Hit Force Quit. Wait a few seconds, reopen Excel, and see if it launches normally. Now, if Excel still won't open, especially when you're trying to open an important file, this is where I recommend skipping the guesswork and using 4DDIG file repair. Sometimes, the real issue isn't Excel itself. It's the Excel file that's corrupted, and restarting Excel over and over won't fix that. 4DDIG is built specifically to repair damaged Excel files, and it also supports Word, PowerPoint, and PDF files. Just download and install 4DD File Repair. I've put the link in the description. Open the software, choose File Repair, add your corrupted Excel file. Let it repair, then preview and save it. After that, try opening the file again in Excel. This step saves a huge amount of time, especially when the file is work-related or time-sensitive. Method 3. Start your Mac in safe mode. If the file isn't the problem and Excel still won't open, the next thing we need to check is whether something on your Mac is interfering with Excel. This is where safe mode comes in. Safe mode temporarily disables third-party apps and background processes, which helps us narrow down the cause. First, shut down your Mac completely. Next, press and hold the power button until you see the Startup Options screen. When the available volumes appear, select your main disk. Now, hold the Shift key and click Continue in Safe Mode. Once your Mac finishes booting, try opening Microsoft Excel again. If Excel opens normally here, that's a strong sign the issue is caused by a third-party app or a system-level conflict, not Excel itself. At least now you know where the problem is coming from. Next, let's reset Excel's preference files. These files control how Excel launches, and if they get corrupted, Excel may refuse to open. Make sure Excel is fully closed first. Open Finder. Press Command plus Shift plus G to open Go to Folder. Then enter this path. Click Go. Drag the COM, Microsoft, Excel. Place file to the trash, empty the trash, and then reopen Excel. Method 5. Disable Excel add-ins. Finally, if Excel opens but crashes right away, add-ins are a very common cause. Open Excel, click Insert, choose Add-ins, then select My Add-ins. Remove any add-ins you don't absolutely need, especially ones installed recently. Restart Excel and test it again. Method 6. Run Disk Utility when Excel not opening on Mac. If there are disk errors or permission issues on your Mac, Excel may fail to open no matter what you do inside the app. Open Finder, go to Applications, open the Utilities folder, and launch Disk Utility. On the left side, select your startup disk, usually called Macintosh HD. Click First Aid, then click Run. Disk Utility will now scan your disk and automatically fix any issues it finds. Once the process finishes, restart your Mac and try opening Excel again. If you're short on time or dealing with a critical file, I still recommend starting with 4DD File Repair. Hope this helps and saves you a few headaches. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.